Ready? All right. Hello. I have wicked hiccups, and I can't stop, so I'm gonna cure them with this lemon. I am not fucking acting. This is the real deal. Watch. See? This is not a fake.
That's not fake.
I'll wait again. Watch. I'm telling you, I'm not faking. Now watch. I'll eat a bite of this lemon, and I will cure my hiccups for you motherfuckers that don't think that lemon can cure the hiccups. Okay?
Right.
All right. One more time, I'll hiccup for you. Wait, I'll do it anyway. Watch. Okay. See, I'm not really faking it. Watch. I will take a bite of this lemon and it will stop the hiccups. I guarantee you, for any fucking money you fucking little fags want to fucking bet. Okay, you ready?
No!
One more time. Alright, that enough to fucking tell you that I really have the fucking hiccups?
You got the hiccups.
I got the hiccups. Ready? Again. Okay, one more hiccup after this, I'm gonna cure it. One more.
Joe, we'll leave in.
Oh my god.
Alright, my hiccups are gone. I'm not sucking like a loser going, it's done. If you don't fucking believe me, try it, motherfucker, but it works. Lemons cure hiccups, bitch.
Peace out.
Peace out.